It's Power Hour afternoon. We're live. What's good? What's poppin'? A little early here, actually, for the Power Hour. I got about 30 minutes till the actual Power Hour starts, but I start, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go hang out with my friends. I was sitting here on the computer waiting for 3 o'clock, and I'm like, I might as well go live and say what's up. What's good? Right now, the NASDAQ up there to the highs, that 760 area, pulling back right now, 720s. Could be some trouble for the bulls here. Dipping. We'll see what happens today. What's poppin'? Liz Garden's in the house. Woo! Got my goat fuel. Peach pineapple. So tasty. All right, watching the NASDAQ here. We got the ES and NASDAQ both pulling back. We are live from the BDH afternoon streaming, looking at the markets. NASDAQ dipping down here, 715s, pops back up there, 740s. We're up here at the highs, having some trouble. End of day, where are we going? The $1 million question. Nobody has the answer, except for, well, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Right now, looking like the bears are in control down here, below this 25. We got the 15-minute chart. Kind of bounce. Look at that reversal back up and then just again back down here. Indecision up here at the highs. Indecision. The buyer is just not committing. They're not committing to the move here. Got to commit, buyers. You got to commit. Got some people in the chat making some money today. That VWAP sitting down there, 656 for the VWAP now. Got the ES, the NASDAQ, both kind of just sitting right at this key level right now, this 720 area, key level, I'd say, for the bulls. We lose this 720, I think 680 VWAP down there. Looks pretty easy. Different time frames, looking like the wants to fall off a cliff here. Power hour. It's been a while since I've traded in the afternoon. Hopefully it works in my favor today. I'll be there. Right now, chopping around here at the 720s. Getting real tight right there. ES is trying to move down. NASDAQ sitting right there, 720s. I mean, it looks like a pretty obvious short here. But will it be an obvious short? If it loses this 15-13 area, trouble. Market just holding. Ever since I went live, now the market's gonna just sit here the rest of the day. It knows. The market makers are watching my stream, man. They're watching my stream, man. There it is, down there, the 710s, trying to lose that 712 area. Some trouble here, trouble. ES is moving down, NASDAQ's moving down. Just need like a better flag set. It's like, it's hard to get short when the, like, when this is like, right? Like this is kind of like, ideally we want the price action to kind of push up and then get that short. Hard to short when the price action is like this, right? That's just like, look at different time frames here. Different time frames, different Titus. Chad Cobra, 20-point scalp to 699. 699. All right, now we see if we got, like, if we push back up into here, would be ideal. What's the difference between the book and the course? Well, the book is written, right? So the book looks like this, you know, like it's got pages in it, right? So it's got like pages in the book, right? So there's pages. The course is a video. Like, you know how you see me right now? Yeah, that's the biggest difference, really. So, and well, there you go. There's a perfect example of why it's hard to short when the price action is doing what it's doing right there. We need that little push back up to give us a bear flag out of this. What do you do when you get faked out? Just fucking just all in the opposite direction. It's afternoon at the BDH. Trying to find out about my pickleball court. Where the fuck is my pickleball court at? Need a pickleball court. I want to get my pickleball on. Hey, PW, I fucked up and I faded $500. I'm a brokey in small beans. Can we have some fun and get $500 trade? I'll try, my friend. I will try. I'll say if something presents itself, I'm gonna go hard in the paint. When are you gonna rent those chairs out? I don't know yet. Still waiting. I'm not like in a rush, actually, you know, like some point. It's set up. We're ready. We got some traders. Actually, I got a trader coming in on Friday. kind of trade and see how that goes. It's hard because, you know, like most people have like normal jobs and like, or they have like actual jobs. All right, now I think this is the short, right? Now we sell back down here. Oh. Oh, Lord. I got an email from Take Profit Trader that I made over $10,000 in my Take Profit funded account today. And they're moving me into a live funded account. Big news. Patrick Whelan, I'll no longer be a sim funded trader. I got the email right there. Says they're thrilled with my exceptional performance and want to congratulate me on qualifying for the Pro Plus account. What are the haters gonna say now? What are they gonna say now? Can you comment on the lawsuit with Apex? I mean, I can comment on it. I can comment exactly what everybody else has commented. At the end of the day, the lawsuit is, you know, it's an internal lawsuit. It's previous partner, employee, whatever you want to, so, you know, however you want to paint it. I'm not saying either side is right or wrong. I'm just saying that it's an internal lawsuit. There has been, Top Step has been sued internally. I mean, multiple. It's just kind of, to be honest, it's kind of a normal thing, right? People get sued, business, money. It kind of is what it is, to be honest. It's not really. What happened to all the prop firm big news coming? Trump is the fucking president. That's, yeah, president, boys. Woo-wee. That's pretty much what it is. Yeah, I mean, the affiliate lawsuit is, it's not, again, I'm not going to get all into it, but the affiliate lawsuit, if you actually do if you read into everything, the affiliate lawsuit is, he is, I guess, a partner, or he works for another prop firm. I don't fucking know all the details. So, have you thought about running up a bunch of 300,000K accounts? I've thought about it, but to be honest, I've never been able to pass. You know, I've never been able to pass the 300K account with Apex. I know that sounds crazy, but I've never been able to. It's hard. It's really hard. Especially with my trading style, it is not easy. Yeah, the 300K account is, you gotta, I think, what do you gotta make, $25,000 profit or $20,000 profit? I think the 50K accounts with Apex I still think are the best bang for your buck when it comes to, you know, passing accounts. James, 300 count is easy. I mean, hey, whatever you say, bro. All right, NASDAQ, are we gonna go lower here? I mean, it is, I would just, it's kind of like choppy action in this 700 area. We broke out there earlier through the VWAP. We talked about this morning. about this idea of getting back up there, you know, and taking out the high, the 15-minute range. We broke through the 720 level from the 720s up there to the 770s. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you I told you so, but I mean, we definitely talked about it. And right now, looking at the ES here, ES is kind of just rounding out and moving back here. We got about 15 minutes until power hour officially starts, and we'll see how it goes. Can you loan me 100,000? Yes. Sure. I got you. Just send me your bank account info. Is there going to be a power hour every day? Like with me or the stock market? I mean, every day there's a power hour in the stock market, but I don't know about me showing up every day. The pivot points, if you're wondering, the pivot points, they're going to be messed up. The pivot point indicator is messed up because of the weird day or whatever you want to call it, where it's the Monday half day. That's why. I'm going to try to do the power hour as often as I can, but kind of just, you know, I like, you know me, I like to just do what I do, baby. I don't like to put any real schedule on it. Kind of just stream when I feel like it. Do you ever trade the YM? No. All right, NASDAQ, here's the break. Will we get clear through 700? All roads are pointing to the downside right now. Every time frame, you can see the pullback here setting up. The hourly chart kind of setting up for more pullback here. Could pull back into the 80 area, 682 again. You got the ES as well. ES right now, we're looking back at the NASDAQ here and seeing what's going on. Patrick, are you going to let Nutty Bar drive the Lambo? We talked about it, actually. We're actually texting right now about next week. Nutty Bar. I gotta find out where did he ever come up with the idea to call his YouTube channel Nutty Bar? You know, like there are some people who come up with ideas like, oh, I'm gonna call my channel, you know, the big time trader, you know, little time trader, trader bar. Bro, can you cover the Dow? I don't trade the Dow. Not really much to cover. I want to see Patrick ride a horse like Nutty Bar. What? Can he ride a horse? I can ride a horse. You know, I actually was born and raised in the country. Used to ride horses. Wore cowboy boots and Wranglers growing up. You might be surprised. But it's true. He's really struggling with trading. Yeah, we talked about that actually. Nutty Bar, we were talking about, he said he's in a bit of a slump right now. So hopefully I can help him out. You know, talk to him about it. Maybe we can have a little intervention. You know? That'd be fun. I think you've got the most beautiful Lambo I've seen on YouTube. Oh, that really does get me happy. Thanks so much. Look at that thing. I mean, that car is pretty sick. You gotta admit, it's a pretty sick car. I think I'm gonna do a new wrap on it though. So I'm thinking, you know, this design that's on the wall. Get this design, but do it a wrap on the Lambo. Could be something, you know, I don't know. It might be too wild. The orange and gray on the Lambo. I'm gonna find out. NASDAQ, come on, do something here. VWAP is down there at the 656s, 680s. Previous resistance right there to pull into. Losing 700s there. Good Lord. 5-minute chart chopping here. Me like a man. Trying to lose that 700 level. These whole numbers today, 700, 600 has just been a battle. Remember this morning, just chop around the 600s. Drops below 700, little pop back up there, wicking out below 700 now. Now it's gonna run to the upside here. Shoo! I got an email earlier, like I said, from Take Profit Trader. I made too much money today. I'm getting moved into a live account. No, not the live account, please. Anything but that. Anything but the live account, Billy. The live funded account. Is there lag? I don't know. You tell me. Market back up here to the 1815s. Look at that. The trap there. Trapping them right below the 700s just to pop it back up. Trying to figure out what account I want to trade for Power Hour here. Which one? The music and the gate is messed up. There shouldn't really be a gate. Maybe there is. I don't know. Is there a gate? don't think there's a gate. I think the music is not loud enough, maybe. I don't know. How about now? How about now? Catch me outside. Are you in shorts? No, I'm in pants. I don't know what you done to me. The feeling that you run away. Do, 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 do. Mr. Pipster said MMFU rejected your payout because you and your friend had the same trades. Yeah, that's not good. I mean, ideally now, what I'd want to see if I'm looking for a long, I'd basically like want to see us, you know, push up into here, put in a higher low above this 740 level. You know, that's if I'm looking for a long here. Get through the 740 area. Getting stuck there at the 21 EMA for now on the 2-minute chart. Why no Ferraris? Well, I don't really, I'm not like a, I don't know. Just nothing, there's not like a Ferrari that I'm like, oh, I really think that's, you know, like I want to buy a Ferrari. I'm more of a Lambo guy, you know? More of a Lambo guy. All right, NASDAQ trying to push up here. Trying to push. Just stuck at that pivot point right now. Or not that pivot point, stuck at this resistance right there, 725.
My name is Marcus. This is my brother Daniel. We go by the name Cream, and we love you, London.
The fuck? My trade debate right now is doing something weird. Can you show us the other charts? I can't really. I'm looking at the NQ. We're looking at the ES. I got the 15-minute chart pulled up. I got the hourly chart. I got the 10-minute chart. Just kind of looking at different time frames. It's not that I don't want to show you, but it's just I can't. It's hard to pull it all up on the computer, if you know what I mean, you know? Dude, my trade evade is having some issues right now. Hold on, it's like, what is happening with my trade evade right now? I think because Take Profit Trader is putting me into a live account, they took away my data on the evals. That's weird. I've never seen that before. You can see like it's showing that I have delayed data on Take Profit Trader now. I got an email earlier they're gonna move me into a live account because I made too much money today, and now my account shows delayed data. So, oh, that's fun. Guess it don't really matter, but Eric Rodriguez down $3,700. Uh-oh. Almost a 20-second delay. Oh, fucking A. Sorry, guys. There is a delay today. I don't know why YouTube does this, but it changed the settings. Fucking A. All right, let me do. Hey, I'm gonna restart the stream real quick. I don't know why it's so annoying. I'll be right back. BRB. New stream.